First, we have to plot the given point in the coordinate plane, and next we have to check if segment RS and TW are congruent. So let's draw XY plane first. We have horizontal line is X and vertical Y. We need to choose the unit. Let's see our R point first. First coordinate is always X and the second is Y. So we have -7 for X, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and Y is -6. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our R point will be approximately here, -7, -6 coordinates, and next we have S. First coordinate is X, second is Y always, so X is -7 again, and we have 4. Y, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is approximately here. This is our S, -7, 4. Next we have point -2, -3. So -1, -2, -3. So 1, 2, 3. This is our T. -2, -3, and next we have -12, -3. So we have X is -12 and Y is -3. We have X -7, 8, 9, 10, 11, -12 will be approximately here, and we have Y -3. So this is our W, -12, -3. So now we have to check if segment RS segment and points S and R, and we have segment TW and points T and W. We have to check if these segments are congruent. It means we have to check if they have the same length. So let's first find the length of RS segment. RS is equal, when we have vertical segment, we see that first coordinates are the same, only the Y coordinates are different. So we have to find the absolute value of the difference of Y coordinates of the endpoints. So we have absolute value of 4 minus, and Y is for R equals -6. So we will put -6 in parentheses. So this is equal absolute value of negative and negative we have in absolute value bars. So give me positive. So we have 4 plus 6 is 10. Absolute value of 10 is equal 10. Now we have to find the length of segment TW, because TW is horizontal segment. So to find the length of horizontal segment, we need to find absolute value of difference of x coordinates of the endpoints because y coordinates are the same. So we have absolute value of first coordinate is of t is negative 2 minus, and in parentheses we have negative 12. So this is equal absolute value of negative 2. Negative and negative give me positive, so will be plus 12. So this is equal absolute value of negative 2 plus 12 is 10. Absolute value of 10 is 10. We got that the length of segment RC and TW is the same, 10. It means that segment RS is congruent to segment TW because the length of these two segments are the same. This is my solution.